We're finally out of the drought after much needed rain this year, but you may remember how things were dire in the past 2-3 years, and there's no guarantee bone dry conditions will not return. Luckily, we may be getting a water crystal ball. NASA's new satellite will measure how much water Earth has and will have in the future, something that can be a lifesaver for many Californians, including those in the agriculture sector. Joe Del Bosque has spent most of his life on a farm. The son of Mexican immigrants settled in the Central Valley with his family in the 50s.
Then in 1985, I began my own farm, growing cantaloupes and at that time cotton, tomatoes, and then eventually got into other crops like asparagus and almonds and cherries.
Extreme weather swings pose immediate and long-term challenges for farmers. Just last fall, 95% of California was in extreme or severe drought conditions. Then came a pummeling of rain.
It seems like we've been on a little bit of a roller coaster where we have real wet years and real dry years.
Last year, 40% of Joe's land was unplanted due to drought. Dry conditions led to tomato and onion shortages.
Several hundred people have lost jobs on my farm because of not having enough water to continue to grow the level of crops that we should be.
This year's extended and pounding rains flooded strawberry fields. For farmers like Mr. Del Bosque, the instability and unpredictability of water supply has led him to wonder, will his farm still exist in 10 to 15 years from now? Well, scientists here at JPL may be able to lend a helping hand.
And liftoff of Falcon 9 with the Surface Water Ocean Topography SWOT mission.
In December, NASA launched a satellite from Vandenberg Space Force Base here in California. The technology was developed in part at the Jet Propulsion Lab in Pasadena.
Right now, a lot of the water on Earth we don't have a good view of.
SWOT, fully known as the Surface, Water, and Ocean Topography Satellite, will observe nearly all the water sources across the planet. While over 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, only a fraction is fresh water used in farming.
SWOT's not going to solve the problem of whether water is going to be available, but it's going to provide much better information to be able to plan how you can respond to changes that are going to occur in the future.
Dr. Ben Hamilton is a member of the SWOT research team.
SWOT has something called a Ka-band radar interferometer. So it's actually essentially sending a radar pulse from space down to Earth, and it triangulates that pulse as it goes back to the satellite and has this long boom, and from that long boom we can actually infer the height of water on Earth. So from space we can measure the accuracy of water down to like a 1-inch level, so really incredible accuracy.
Crucial information for farmers like Joe.
We need to know now what our water supply is so we can determine what we can plant in the spring and summer.
Joe tells us he hopes JPL's new satellite will help him and other farmers despite the ever-changing weather. SWOT's water data will become readily available for the public sometime this year.